Hello Maths Warriors, I'm Upasana Taneja and you are welcome to my channel. Here in today's video we have a question where we need to find out the value of x and we are given this equation and such that x is greater than 0, right? Okay, so how will we proceed? First of all, we can see this term. In this term, if I split it, I can write x by root x plus root x by x, right? Plus root x by x plus root x as it is. Rest of the terms as it is, we just split it this first term, right? Okay, now we are left with what is x by root x? It is equal to root x plus root x by root x is 1 plus root x by x plus root x is equal to 4, right? Okay, what can I do now? I can write, just keep this root x here plus root x by x plus root x and take this 1 on the right hand side. That will become 4 minus 1, that is 3, right? Now what will I do? I will keep this here and I will take this root x on the other side, okay? And when it will go to the other side, it will become 3 minus root x, right? Okay, then we have this in the denominator under root. So what can we do? If we have this term, I can multiply with x plus root x on both hand sides. Okay, on left hand side and right hand side. So we get 3 minus root x and x plus root x. On left hand side, this will cancel out and we are left with just root x. And right hand side, we are left with, we will just multiply all of these. So 3 times x is 3x and then 3 times root x is 3 root x minus root x times x is x root x minus root x times root x is x, right? Okay, as we can see here, this is 1 root x. 1 root x or root x are same thing. So what if I take this root x on the right hand side? Here we will be left with 0. Here we have 3x minus x, that will become 2x, right? And this 3 root x and minus this root x, it will become 2 root x minus x root x is equal to 0. What can I do? I can write it like this: 2x plus 2 root x. Just swap left hand side with right hand side. That doesn't affect, right? Okay. Here I can take root x common. I will be left with 2 plus this here 2 root x plus 2 minus x is equal to 0, right? Okay, so if I look at this equation, when product of two terms is 0, that means either of that is 0. Either root x is 0, or 2 root x plus 2 minus x is equal to 0. But since we are given that x is greater than equal to 0, x is greater than 0, it's not equal to, it's x is greater than 0. So that means x, this cannot be true. X cannot be equal to 0, right? So we are left with this equation now. Now we need to do something about it, okay? So what can I do? I can make x positive. How can I make x positive? If I move the whole equation to right hand side, it will become x minus 2 root x minus 2. All signs will change and we are left with this, right? I did this just to make x positive, okay? If we look at this equation, this is quadratic in root x because x is equal to root x square minus 2 root x minus 2. Now, whenever you have a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, how do you find out the roots? That is, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? Usually we denote it with small letters, but that doesn't matter. Okay, here now we have, what do we have here now? This here a is equal to 1, right? And b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 2, right? Okay, so under root x is equal to minus 2 times minus of minus 2, right? Minus b plus minus b square. B square means minus 2 whole square. That will be equal to 4 minus 4ac. by 2a, 2 times 1, right? Okay. So that means under root x is equal to 2 plus minus this 4 plus 8 by 2. So we get under root x is equal to 2 plus minus under root 12 by 2, right? Now what is under root 12? Under root x is equal to 2 plus minus 2 under root 3, right? Under root 12 is equal to 2 under root 3 by 2. So under root x is equal to 2 will be cancelled out. We will be left with 1 plus minus root 3. And since x is greater than 0 and 1 minus root 3 will give us negative term, right? So what can we do? We can take only under root x is equal to 1 plus root 3, right? Now squaring both sides. Why? Because we need to find out the value of x. So x is equal to 1 plus under root 3 whole square, right? Okay. So x square is equal to, x is equal to 1 plus under root 3 whole square is 3 plus 2 under root 3, right? So x is equal to 4 plus 2 under root 3, which is our required solution, right? So I hope you understood this question. You got it, whatever was supposed to do. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and for more such videos, please visit my channel. We have many Maths Olympiad questions, concepts, and short tricks as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.